Hello and welcome to my channel, YouTube. Today, we're going to be drawing something
magical.
That's right, Inky. Well, this is my assistant, Inky.
Hello.
And today, we're going to be drawing a unicorn. Are you ready to get started, Inky?
Let's do it.
Then let's go. So the first thing that you're going to draw is the unicorn's tail. You're going to draw a big squiggly line like this. Then, once you're done with that, you're going to draw this shape and make it all the way up here. If you want, you can add some little designs on it to make your unicorn more colorful and fluffy.
Like me.
Then you're going to start drawing its body. You're going to do this shape. And then this shape curves all the way up here. Then you're going to draw this. Then you're going to have a curve up here and go here. And do this too. These are going to be the feet. Then you draw one last one like this. Curve this line up, and then you can draw these.
Is it hoofs or hooves? I've always wondered.
And then you can draw this little shape and then this line, curving up to back here. Then you're done with the body. You can start drawing the head. The first thing that you're going to draw is this big shape. Then inside of that shape, you're going to draw this. Then you're going to draw this here and a nose here. Then you're going to do this, 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 and then you're going to start drawing the eye. You're going to draw a big circle, a tiny circle inside of it, a bigger circle, and then a circle like this. You fill in this part. If you want, you can also add eyelashes.
Eyelashes make everything cuter.
I agree, Inky. Then you can start drawing its hair. Make a furry texture on some squiggly lines that go all the way to the end of the neck. And then you're going to draw the horn. Add a big triangle with a rounded bottom with stripes. The last thing you're going to draw are the ears. You can do triangles similar to the horns here and here. Do this line here and this line here too. Then you're done with your unicorn. If you want, you can add extra details like sparkles coming from the horn.
Do you know what unicorns call their dads?
What, Inky?
Popcorn.
Oh, Inky.
I know. That was unicorny.
Now I'm going to start coloring it. that's all for drawing the unicorn. This was a fun one. Thanks, Elena, for suggesting it. If anybody else has any suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.